Calculating concrete for a 4x4 slab.
Hello everyone. Today, we'll be discussing an essential topic for anyone tackling DIY construction projects or even professionals in the field: how to calculate the amount of concrete needed for a 4x4 slab. This knowledge will be very useful to avoid wastage of materials and to save costs.
Understanding the project.
Before starting any project, it's crucial to understand what we're dealing with. Here, we have a 4x4 slab. When we say 4x4, we're talking about feet, which are units of length. This is a square slab with sides each measuring 4 feet. Remember that the depth of the slab is also important in calculating the volume of concrete required. Standard slab depth for a basic patio or walkway might be 4 inches or 1/3 of a foot, but always confirm this with your project specifications.
Calculating the volume of the slab.
The next step is to calculate the volume of the slab. Since our slab is square, and volume is calculated by multiplying length, width, and depth, it's relatively straightforward. For a 4 foot by 4 foot slab with a depth of 4 inches, or 1/3 foot, the volume would be 4 feet * 4 feet * 1/3 foot equals 5.33 cubic feet.
Converting volume to bags of concrete.
Now, we need to convert this volume into bags of concrete. A standard 60 pounds bag of concrete usually covers about 0.45 cubic feet once it's mixed. So, to find out how many bags we need, we divide our total volume by the volume per bag. Using our previous calculation, we have 5.33 cubic feet divided by 0.45 cubic feet bag equals 11.85 bags.
Always round up.
As you might notice, our calculation resulted in a fraction of a bag. It's always wise to round up to the nearest whole bag when buying concrete to account for spillage or miscalculations. So, in this case, you'd need 12 bags of concrete for a 4x4 slab with a depth of 4 inches. There you have it. Now, you can easily calculate how many bags of concrete you'd need for your slab, saving you time, money, and effort on your next project. Remember to always check your project specifics to adjust the depth as needed. Until next time, happy building!